guys, and welcome back to another episode of Tom Mods Things. Today we are at the Max Power Reunion Show, as you can hear, and it is kicking off big styly. This is day 2 we're coming in on. This is the first day I kind of had as a bit of a chill out session, and second day thought I'd do the filming of the show, because it's a 2-day event and it was just epic. Last night was crazy as well, in the old Max Power Hotel, because there was literally everybody from the show was staying there. Got a little bit crazy, a little bit loose, but it's all good fun. So let's fly around and show you guys exactly what's turned up.
I need your body to touch my body right now. I need somebody, I need your body. I need your body to touch my body right now. I need somebody, I need your body right now. I need your body right now. I need your
Alright guys, and so that's it for another year. Max Power 2022 completed. As you can see, JVC killing it again, getting the cars all loaded up. Saxo and 106 gone down an absolute treat this weekend. It's been surreal and amazing, and yeah, really, really epic. If you didn't come this year and you watch all the video and stuff from this and see the pictures and you wish you could come to it, 2023 there will be another one. Might not be at this location, they are in the works of trying to get another location, but do not miss out because this show has been absolutely sick. And yeah, bring on next year when we get the Saxo all finished. See it in its last stages now before we fully rebuild it into exactly what the 106 looks like behind. Nice, finished, looking brilliant. So anyway, I'm going to go back home, I'm going to have a sleep because I'm knackered, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See you later.